Welcome to Media Britannics, and thank you for joining this detailed guide on e-commerce dropshipping. In this video, we will walk through the full process in a simple and practical way. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without storing items yourself. Your role is to build a store, attract customers, and manage orders. The supplier handles packing and shipping directly to the buyer. This model is popular because it lowers upfront risk and reduces operational stress. To understand dropshipping clearly, it helps to know how it works step by step. You choose products from a supplier that offers direct shipping. You list those products in your online store at a price you set. When a customer places an order, you forward that order to the supplier. The supplier ships the product straight to the customer. You earn the difference between the selling price and supplier cost. Choosing the right niche is one of the most important decisions in dropshipping. A niche is a focused group of products aimed at a specific audience. Instead of selling many random items, you focus on a clear category. This helps you attract the right customers more easily. It also makes your brand feel more professional and trustworthy. A well-defined niche improves long-term growth. When selecting a niche, start by thinking about customer problems and interests. Look for products that solve everyday needs or improve lifestyle comfort. Avoid products that are overly complex or fragile. Simple, useful items often perform better. Make sure the niche has steady demand, not just short-term interest. Balance passion, demand, and practicality. Product research is the next key step in the process. You need to choose products that customers are willing to buy online. Look for items with clear benefits and easy explanations. Products should have reasonable pricing and consistent availability. Avoid items with strict regulations or safety concerns. Good product research reduces refunds and unhappy customers. Reliable suppliers are essential for a successful dropshipping business. A good supplier provides consistent product quality and timely shipping. Communication should be clear and responsive. Always review supplier ratings and feedback carefully. Test orders can help you understand delivery time and packaging quality. A dependable supplier protects your brand reputation. Setting up your online store is where your brand begins to take shape. Choose a clean and easy-to-navigate store design. Make sure product pages are clear and visually appealing. Write product descriptions that focus on benefits, not just features. Use simple language that customers can easily understand. A professional store builds trust and confidence. Your product descriptions play a big role in customer decisions. Explain what the product does and how it helps the buyer. Use clear and honest language without exaggeration. Include size details, materials, and usage instructions. Answer common customer questions within the description. Well-written descriptions reduce confusion and returns. Pricing your products requires careful thought and balance. Your price should cover supplier costs, platform fees, and marketing expenses. It should also leave room for profit. Avoid pricing too low, as it can reduce trust. Avoid pricing too high without clear value. Fair pricing supports long-term business stability. Payment setup is another important step in your store. Offer secure and widely used payment options. Customers want to feel safe when entering their details. Clear checkout steps reduce abandoned carts. Make sure your payment system works smoothly on mobile devices. A smooth checkout experience increases conversions. Marketing is how people discover your drop shipping store. You can use social media platforms to reach your target audience. Focus on helpful content that shows how your products are used. Short videos, images, and clear messages work well. Consistency is more important than posting too often. Honest marketing builds real interest. Content marketing helps build trust with potential customers. You can create posts, videos, or guides related to your niche. This positions your brand as helpful and knowledgeable. Over time, people begin to recognize your store. Trust leads to repeat customers and referrals. Strong content supports organic growth. Customer service is a major part of dropshipping success and should never be overlooked. Customers often judge your business by how you communicate with them. Responding to questions politely and on time builds confidence. Always be honest about product details and delivery expectations. When problems appear, stay calm and professional in your response. Clear and respectful communication can reduce tension. Good customer service often turns first buyers into repeat customers. Order management keeps your dropshipping operation organized and reliable. Every order should be tracked from the moment it is placed. Make sure supplier details are accurate before forwarding orders. Keep records of payments, confirmations, and shipping updates. Customers appreciate regular updates about their purchases. If any issue appears, address it quickly. Strong order management prevents confusion and mistakes. Shipping times should always be explained clearly before a customer buys. Many drop shipping products ship from international locations. This can mean longer delivery times compared to local stores. Being transparent avoids disappointment and negative feedback. Display shipping information clearly on product pages. Customers prefer honesty over unrealistic promises. Clear expectations improve trust and satisfaction. Returns and refunds should be handled with clarity and fairness. A simple return policy helps customers feel secure. Make sure your policy matches what your supplier can support. Explain return conditions in plain language. Handle refund requests respectfully and without delay. Consistent rules prevent misunderstandings. A fair approach protects your brand reputation. Branding helps your dropshipping store stand out in a crowded market. A consistent visual style creates recognition. Your colors, fonts, and tone should match your niche. Branding also includes how you speak to customers. A clear identity makes your store feel professional. Trust grows when branding feels stable and familiar. Strong branding supports long-term loyalty. Legal and business basics are important for protecting your store. Make sure required pages are visible on your website. Privacy policies and terms help build transparency. Customer data should be handled responsibly. Follow online selling guidelines that apply to your region. Clear business practices reduce risk. Staying compliant builds credibility. Analytics help you understand how your store is performing. Track which products receive the most attention. Study where visitors come from and how they behave. Data shows what works and what needs improvement. Use insights to adjust pricing or layouts. Even small changes can improve results. Smart decisions come from clear data. Scaling your dropshipping business should be done carefully. Focus first on products that already perform well. Improve systems before adding more complexity. Strong supplier relationships become more important as volume grows. Avoid expanding too fast without control. Growth should feel manageable and planned. Sustainable scaling leads to stability. Time management plays a big role in daily operations. Set clear routines for checking orders and messages. Use simple tools to stay organized. Automation can reduce repetitive work. Avoid multitasking without focus. Consistent habits save time and energy. Good structure improves productivity. Learning from feedback helps your store improve over time. Read customer reviews with attention. Notice repeated questions or complaints. Use this information to adjust descriptions or policies. Feedback is a learning tool, not criticism. Customers feel valued when listened to. Improvement builds trust. Dropshipping is not instant success, but it offers real opportunity. Results come from patience and consistency. Mistakes are part of learning the business. Each challenge teaches something useful. Focus on steady progress instead of shortcuts. Long-term thinking creates stronger results. Commitment matters more than speed. As we wrap up this complete drop shipping tutorial, thank you for spending your time with Media Britannics. This guide was created to explain the process clearly and honestly. Each step matters when building a stable online store. Learning takes time and steady effort. If you found this video helpful, please like the video to support the channel. Subscribe to this channel for more clear and practical guides. If you have any questions, leave your comment through the comment section, and thanks for watching the video.